Okay, so now that we have HashCat and NVIDIA drivers installed, let's go ahead and prepare our previously captured file. So we have toCrack, and if you type in VPA clean, this one has the, I guess, the wrong way around things. So you type in basically the output file. So the output file will be clean. Let's just name it like that. And the input file will be toCrack-1. Okay, so that's done. Now we need to use aircrack-ng in order to do format conversion. So let's use our cap file. Well, actually, let's first do ll. And we have a clean file there. But I made a mistake here, so let me just rm clean. Yes, and let me just repeat this procedure. Clean.cap. Done, and now I shall use aircrack-ng. And with the aircrack-ng, I'm gonna go ahead and specify this file. And then I'm gonna go ahead and type in -j. And this one will simply be called clean. Press enter, and there you go, successfully written. Hello, and now I have a clean HCC cap file, which I can now utilize with HashCat. Why was this necessary? Well, HashCat takes files within a certain format, and if we want it to work, we need to basically use it within a certain format. So I'm going to get in more depth here. I will show you more things.